Welcome to the ClipFuse AI training video series. In this tutorial, we are going to show you how to find videos in ClipFuse AI. Go to the left menu and click on Video Finder. Here you can search top-rated YouTube videos by keywords. You can use our advanced search option to get more perfect results. Just click on Search and your search result is ready. All the top-ranked videos will be shown in search results. You can view the videos.
I'm John Crestani, and I make over $500,000 a month with affiliate marketing, but I'm going to show you how to get started if you're a complete.
You can also add videos to your playlist. You can view your all saved videos in the Saved Video section. You can view, edit, or delete your saved videos. Thanks for watching the video.